Alright, so we just cast one of our opal skull rings today, and I kind of wanted to try something a little bit different. So in the forehead, I am actually going to try and set a stone instead of just doing crushed opal like we normally do. I haven't actually set a stone before. I've always designed that part in to the whatever piece. I'm actually going to be putting the hole there using a few different bits to make the seat for the stone. We're gonna see how that goes. I've only cut the sprues off, so I still need to sand all that down, and then we're gonna start actually setting that stone. I'm not sure what one I'm gonna do yet. Maybe a moonstone. We'll see. Let's see if I can bring you a little closer so you can actually see what I'm doing. It's a little hard with my hands, you know, covering the whole piece, and I still gotta get that glob in the middle there from the wax. Alright, so we got all the super rough edges off. So we're going to polish up just a little bit, and then I'm going to start drilling that hole. Alright, so I just got it out of the tumbler, and it looks like I need to clean my tumbler because it's got like a thin film over it, but we're just going to polish it off for now. Yeah, I'm honestly not sure how well that's gonna stay. I was supposed to put wax over the forehead first before I actually cast it, I mean on the 3D print, so that it was a flat surface at minimum. It's way too deep, and so I wasn't really able to set it. I can't actually get it out right now. I guess we'll see how long it stays, but we're gonna try that again. Next time I'm gonna be a little bit more prepared. Now we're gonna put opal in the eyes and see how it looks with that gem.